In pressure equipment inspection, a single overlooked defect can trigger a catastrophic failure, putting lives, assets, and operations at risk. Today we're covering 5 of the most commonly missed damage mechanisms, their detection methods, and the exact code references that govern them. First, hydrogen-induced cracking. HIC forms internally within carbon steel, typically near sulfide inclusions in the base metal. It is invisible from the outside and develops in wet, sour surface environments. Look for stepwise crack morphology parallel to the plate direction. Inspectors must deploy phased array ultrasonic testing per API 5791. A formal fitness for service assessment is required for continued operation. Second, creep damage. This develops in equipment operating above 370 degrees Celsius for carbon steel or higher for alloys. Early-stage creep is microstructural and invisible to the naked eye. Watch for weld bulging or tube swelling as permanent deformation. Replication metallurgy and time-of-flight diffraction ultrasonics are the most effective NDE methods for creep characterization. Third, SOHIC. Stress-oriented hydrogen-induced cracking concentrates at weld heat-affected zones in sour surface environments. The critical inspection zone is within 10 millimeters of the weld fusion line. Wet fluorescent magnetic particle testing is highly effective. All materials in sour service must meet NACE EMER 0103 requirements. Non-compliant materials are rejection criteria, not just a flag. Fourth, corrosion under insulation. CUI accounts for a massive share of failures, yet it remains under-inspected. The critical temperature window is -4 to 175 degrees Celsius. Look for water ingress via damaged jacketing. Techniques like profile radiography and pulsed eddy current can assess wall condition without full insulation removal. Use API RP 583 for risk ranking. Fifth, weld toe fatigue cracking. These cracks initiate at weld toes due to stress concentration and cyclic pressure or thermal fluctuations. They are typically tight and surface breaking, making them difficult to detect. Wet fluorescent magnetic particle inspection is mandatory. Phased array UT or TOFD should be used for subsurface characterization. Assessment is governed by BS 7910 and ASME fracture mechanics. To summarize, for HIC use, phased array UT, API 579, for creep use replication or TOFD, API 530, and for SOHIC use WFMPI, NACE MAR 0103. For CUI, prioritize pulsed eddy current, API 583, and for weld fatigue, use WFMPI and POT, BS 7910. Don't leave your assets to chance. Download our free inspection checklist using the link below to build these checks into your next plan. Stay safe, stay compliant. Download the guide now and ensure your pressure equipment integrity.